recap on why I choose affiliate marketing. So, of course, low cost startup. You don't need to invest a big chunk of money to start with affiliate marketing. No product inventory to begin with, unlike with other online business that you have to have your own inventory. You don't need to buy a lot of products for your online store to be commissioned and qualified. So that is good with Amazon. Low risk because you don't have to handle return and customer complaints, and then you can choose a product that resonates with your personality, and of course flexibility. I can work my affiliate side hustle after my job, and of course the product that I promote, of which I am using, is aligned with my content, such as health and wellness, mental and social awareness, and helpful content to my viewer, just like you. Okay, how to get started? Of course, you have to know what you are good at. Do a personal inventory, even if you are being told that this business online doesn't require selling. Remember that in business, there is an exchange of either services or products, unless the one who says is scamming. Okay? With that one, when they tell you, oh, this is very easy, no selling at all now. Business is an exchange of services and or product. Inventory if that kind of online business suits your circumstances, your personality, and your background knowledge. And then when you create an account, of course, you have to terms. What are the do's and the don'ts? What are the pros and the cons of that kind of affiliate program? And of course, you promote the product. Use the product that you like when you are doing affiliate. That is, for me, my personal recommendation, so that you will have an honest review, which is on number 5 with how to get started, right? And of course, you have to be consistent around the product or your brand. And I also noticed that when I started entering branding, me with you, Sana, an easier way of making content that is around the products that I am using. So if you are a content creator just like me, beginner, to do personal branding around a certain kind of product that would resonate your values, that would represent you, that would relate to you as a person, and try to make content around that product. That works for me. So I do not know if it will work for you, but it works for me. That's why I'm telling you this. So